guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Bethel. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that so you do not forget to. But on this channel I make a lot of different types of content like lifestyle content, wedding content, and sewing tutorials. I also make content about working at Amazon. So if that's your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. In today's video I'll be unboxing. Actually do not remember what I bought. So I bought this like weeks ago when I was like, you know what, I'm going to take vlogging seriously in 2023. It just took us 3 years back. But I bought this when I said I was going to take content seriously in 2026. So it is a vlogging camera. It's like it's a replica of the DJI Osmo 3, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's basically like a replica. I heard it's the same company that makes them, and I got this off of TikTok shop. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this for you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the Xtra Muse, and that's what I'm going to be unboxing in this video. It basically is a DJI Osmo. It's literally the exact same thing, maybe with like a little bit of differences, and this was way cheaper. I think I got this for $3.99. It was on a discount on the TikTok shop for like 50% off. Basically I got it for like super cheap, which is why I bought it. And I haven't really unboxed it since I got it weeks ago because I wanted to do an unboxing video, and this is the only chance I've gotten. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oof. Okay, so this is how it comes in the bag. Cute. It's very small. Like I can already see that it's very small. So the main reason why I bought this is because, like I said, I wanted to get back into vlogging. I do have a Sony ZV-E10, which is what I'm recording this video off of, and I also record with my phone. Like I told you guys, I'm into wedding content creation, but I wanted something more convenient and not as heavy as my phone or the Sony ZV-E10. So that's why I went for this. So this is what the bag looks like. It comes in this little small cute purse. I like it. And then this is the camera itself. See, very convenient. Like just hold it like this. Like I absolutely love it. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, I don't even understand what I'm saying, but this is it. See, it literally fits in my palm. Literally fits in my palm. Okay, so that's one thing that comes in the box. I'm guessing in here there's some other stuff. And this is so cute. It's literally like an eyeglass case that you just carry around with you. In here is the little thingy to hang it. It has a little charger. No? Let me see. I'm not 100% sure what this is. But I believe this goes in here. From what I've seen in videos, yeah, that does go in there. And then this is like a little charging cord. So I just bought this and I did not buy any accessories with it because, again, I haven't really used this before, so I don't exactly know how to use this. So I didn't want to just go on buying accessories that I did not need. So eventually I'm going to buy accessories and I'll probably unbox them for you guys. But let's see. Let me get the manual because I absolutely do not know how this works. Okay, I hope it comes with an SD card because it better. Ah, the SD card is sold separately. Oh my god, this is not good. SD cards are like so expensive. Okay, so I know for the DJI I've seen my friend turn it on by, ooh, so that's how you turn it on. For the DJI I've seen my friend turn it on by just like swiping it like this. So it says remove before use, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. That is not my language. How do you swipe? Oh, it's touch screen. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. They don't have English, Espanol, Dutch. Oh, English. Enter. How do I enter? Ooh, this is clear. Oh my. Oh my, it doesn't have an SD card in it, so I really can't show you guys what it looks like, but I will definitely attach some clips on here to show you guys what it looks like. But it's super clear, if you guys can see. Let me see, can you guys see me? This thing is not focusing. How do you set this stupid thing to focus? Yeah. Okay, so you guys can see me through it. I don't know, the tracking is not doing what it's supposed to do. This is cute, this is cool. And you can actually record straight. Wait, no, that turned it off. I lied. So this is super convenient. Like, I'm already falling in love with it. Like, I'm already falling in love with it. I think you can actually like buy another thing to attach, and I actually also have like a lot of attachment that I could attach to it and hold it like this, but I think it's already convenient holding it like this. I love the super cute small purse it came in. It's gonna be very convenient to hold like already, and it has space in it, so I could actually like use it as my purse. I got purse, so yeah. You know, this was definitely worth the price, and the quality is good. No SD card. It's not letting me do anything because there's no SD card. But yeah, I'm gonna buy an SD card for this and see if I could buy a couple accessories, and I'll let you guys know in the next video when I unbox the accessories, or maybe this video. I do not know what I'm gonna do just yet, but just in case this is the end of this video, it was really nice. Like, I love this. Like, I haven't even used it yet, but I absolutely love it. You can see, as you can, oh, finally the tracking is working. As you can see, the quality is like super good. It's clear. This is going to be very good for my business as a wedding content creator. It's also going to be good for vlogging because it's very convenient. I can take it anywhere. I can swing it everywhere. I love this. No regrets in buying this yet. No regrets. Like, oh, I don't think I'm going to have any regrets. Okay, so the next couple days is going to be me testing this out and posting vlogs with it, and then we'll see. If you guys like this type of content, just let me know. Actually, I'm open to trying like a lot of gadgets. Just let me know what I want to try and unbox and open and test out, and I'll try to do it if I can afford it. Or if there's any brands watching, you guys feel free to send me gadgets or whatever you guys want me to test out, and I'm more than willing to help you guys do that for a small price, of course. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you loved it, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. If you have one of these, tell me how you love it. If you're planning to buy this, tell me if you're gonna buy it after seeing the unboxing video. Just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, I apologize for talking too fast. I don't know why I do that. Sorry. Now bye.